Children, welcome to the EVS class. As you know, we have already started with 11th chapter locating places. Just a quick recap of whatever we have learned. Now, as I told you, we have a four direction. When you face toward the sun, that is a east direction, right? Accordingly, east, the opposite side will be west, right side will be your south, and the left always going to be your north side, beta. Okay. Now, yes, now I have spoken about the sketch also. When we draw a sketch, suppose for example a rough sketch, a rough drawing of any place by using some sign and the symbols, okay, but not with the exact measurement, not the actual. We don't have to use the actual measurement, just a rough sketch. Okay, it is called as a sketch. It is called a sketch. A sketch is not made with the actual measurement, beta. It is just a rough drawing of your neighborhood or any other place, a small area, by using sign and symbols. Okay, beta. Now, I have taught you about the map also. What is a map? Definition can come in the exam that a map is a drawing of an area on a flat surface such as a paper. It is, but yes, it is drawn with exact measurement. So difference can come. What is a sketch and what is a map? So one difference, as you know. Okay, and then I have taught you. I have live inter when we had a live interactive classes. I told you about the plan also. When you're constructing a house, that time the engineer make a plan of a house, है ना, and that too is been done with the exact measurement, beta. Okay, it's a layout of a small area of a room or a house. Okay, and nowadays so you get Google map is helping you to find out the destination and all that also we have discussed, and the difference between the map and the sketch can come in the exam. So learn that also. Different symbols I have told you, the country capital. Look at the symbols properly, and study this. Identification can come in the exam: country capital, state capital, other town, international boundary, state boundary, road, dam we have discussed, swamp and marshy areas, beta, the lake and reservoir, the river, then the peak, the international airport, the domestic airport. So it's simply a sign. It is just two three times you go through, you will be able to get it better. And the major port that we're talking about, the harbor where the ship comes and goes. Okay, and these symbols are really important. Colors are important because immediately when we look at them, we will be able to make out, oh, acha, this is an international airport. If it's a greeny area on the map, oh, it's talking about a forest and the tree. If it is a brown color, you'll be able to immediately make out that brown color tells about the mountains. So the colors and the symbols are very important, beta. Immediately you will be able to get it. Oh, this symbol means this sign means this color means this. Okay, now we have a four directions: north, south, east and west, है ना? That main direction I told you, and all these direction they help you to reach your place and destination, children. Okay, now always the map is drawn from the center. This is a small homework sort of they have given. You have to draw the classroom. Okay, first you start with the center point, then the left, you go toward the left, then right, then you go up, then draw, then down, drawing the landmarks. You know what is a landmark? Now, for example, your house is near next to the Haldiram. So you can tell your friend that when you're telling the address, you can tell that just my house is next to the Haldiram. Or if there is a renowned, famous like a church is there or temple is there. Likewise, you can tell that yeah, my house is behind Maruti temple, or my house is next to the church. Something like landmark is there. Okay, behind the medical hospital. Something like that. It is called as a landmark. Okay, now we'll talk about the safety. Yes, you need to be very safe on the road. These are the symbols we should be able to identify. It can come in the exam. The first one is the no horn. This is a zebra crossing. The mark can tell you this round color. This tell you the roundabout means you have to take a round and go. Okay, then the school ahead. No parking. The speed breaker. How the speed breaker on the road? You must have seen that this sign shows a speed breaker. Okay, there are more signs. If you are able to find out in the Google beta, and you can just for the general knowledge point of view, you can study those also. Okay, that's all for today. These all things we have learned, and drawing a map is also a very important skill. Drawing a map is not easy. Now, along with this video, I'm going to send you the PDF of the back exercises. Please try to complete that, children, and get ready for the concept test one. I will be telling you the dates. Okay, thank you. God bless you.